Hello guys, this is Paul McWhorter with TopTechBoy.com, and we are here today with a really exciting announcement. So I'm going to need you to pour yourself a nice strong cup of black coffee. That's right, I didn't get the iced coffee made today, but this is strong black coffee, no sugar, no sweeteners, none needed. And I'm going to need you to get ready for the big announcement. And the announcement is that we have the privilege of this Saturday in our live stream having as a live guest Bill from the most excellent DroneBot Workshop is going to be a guest on our program. Now, you guys that caught last Saturday's live stream where I listed the 5 best technology channels on YouTube, Mr. Bill from the DroneBot Workshop was, in my mind, the #1 most useful, most wonderful channel on YouTube. And he has graciously agreed to appear on our live stream this coming Saturday at 11 a.m. Central Time. That's 11 a.m. Texas time. Now, I want to do a good job in the interview, and I want to ask some really good questions. So I'm asking you to submit suggestions for questions for Bill. I know a lot of people like Bill. I know a lot of people have a lot of questions. This is your chance to have your question answered by the master. How do you do that? In the comments down below, type out your question. I'll look at the questions and see what seem to be the best and most popular questions, and those will be the ones that we will ask Bill on Saturday. Really excited about this. I can't tell you how excited I am for this coming Saturday. Hopefully you'll come back. Hopefully you'll leave some suggested questions down below, and hopefully you'll tune in on Saturday. Quick little announcement. That's all I have for you today, but I will see you guys on Saturday.